If you are looking for any free courses on data science with free certificate, then this video is for you. In this video, I'm going to talk about 8 free courses on data science with free certificate. I think this video is going to be beneficial for you if you watch the video. So let's see what are these 8 courses on data science I'm going to talk about. If you scroll it down, then you can see that the courses I'm going to talk about are Business Analytics Starter Pack. This is really sounding very demanding course right now. Second one is Python for Data Science, Getting Started with Excel Basics and Advanced, Introduction to Machine Learning Concepts, Statistics for Data Science, Getting Started with SQL Programming, Data Science in E-commerce, Introduction to Deep Learning and Natural Language Processing. These 8 courses are really valuable and the core course of data science. If you'd like to build your career or if you want to get a job related to data science, then these 8 courses will give you the best of data science. And with free of cost, obviously they will provide you the free certificate too. Okay, so still if you have any confusion that whether you will be getting free certificate or not, then just simply click over there, frequently asked questions. Okay, here you can see some questions answer. Whatever questions you have in your mind, you will be able to get. The first one is, what is Upgrad's Start Priceless Learning Initiative all about? It means that it is priceless course, as all the courses are very valuable, but they are providing you free of cost. Okay, then will I have to pay anything to start learning? No, you don't have to pay anything learning. Okay, just simply click here cross, then you will be able to get all your answer. So who should sign up? Okay, here you can see actually who can sign up here. And the important one for you, will I get a certificate? Just simply click here. Yes, you will get a certificate of completion once you successfully finish all the modules within your program. So you can be confirmed right now that you will be able to get your free certificate. Okay, so actually how to learn this course, and I'm showing you. Here are 8 courses. You can start with anyone, whatever you like. For example, if you would like to start with Introduction to Machine Learning Concept, just simply you need to click here, register. Okay, after clicking here register, you will have 2 options. If you have already an account in Upgrad, then you don't need to create new account, just simply log in. But if you are new here, you just need to click account here. After clicking register, you will get options to create account or to log in. As I am already created account and logged in here, so just I'm simply clicking here register. Okay, when you click over the register or click over the courses, and after creating account, then you will get this interface of the courses. So now if you want to know about these courses, you can click here to have introduction video. But if you don't think you don't need to have introduction video, then don't click here. Just simply click here course content. Okay, here is a course content you are going to do. Here is actually 5 module and you need to complete each one of them to get your certificate. Just simply click here name of the module and you will be able to start. Here you can see progress not started. When you start module, then you can see your progress. And here's the estimated time, how much time will each module take, you can see from here. So actually here are 5 modules, you can complete each one of them to get your certificate. So if you complete this course, then you will get your certificate. In the same way, if you'd like to complete another courses, just simply click over the register, then you will be able to reach the courses. So here's one thing important, it is that it will take 5 days to get your certificate, and you don't get certificate in this notification or anywhere. Rather, the certificate will be sent to your email within 5 days. So you need to wait 5 days after completing any module. After waiting for 5 days, then you will get your desired certificate and the recognition of certificate, which will help you to add your CV and boost your career.